All right, please subscribe for more of this stuff.
So here I'm going to show you how to season and prepare your paella pan for first use. Peel off the manufacturer's seal, which I already did, but there's a little bit of residue on there. I don't know, you can't really see it, but there actually is. Take about, I don't know, a tablespoon or so of white vinegar. Then you want to take about a cup of water. Well, this is for a 12-inch pan. You might need a little more for a wider pan because they do come in various sizes. And then you'll want to bring it to a gentle boil, nothing too crazy, for about 10 minutes to break off and clean up the manufacturer coating on there. You can see where that sticker was now. If you find that your water is boiling off, go ahead and add a little more.
All right, please subscribe for more of this stuff.
If need be, take a wooden spoon. Definitely a wooden spoon because you don't want to use metal and scratch your surface. So as you can see, mine is a little too cloudy and I'm really not happy with that. So I'm going to try something else. I'm going to try a little bit of oil in there. Just enough to cover the surface.
All right, please subscribe for more of this stuff.
You can see it really lifted that off this time. Now I'm going to take that oil and put it in a jar, not down my sink or anything like that. I definitely want to dump it out. So the oil really seemed to work. I'm just going to rub that in. The pan is not hot anymore. It's warm, but I don't have the burner on. And just look what that did. That really cleaned the surface. So there's the finished product. Look at that. All right. After my research, they said to use water and vinegar. No. I definitely would use a light coating of oil, heat that up, break everything off the surface, dump the oil out, and then after your pan cools down, wipe out that oil. And you always want to store it, put a little bit of coating of oil on there because this will rust after you wash it with water.
All right, please subscribe for more of this stuff.